to learn a new sound again. But before we do that, I want you to quickly revise all the sounds that we have learned till now. Alright, so let's begin. This is the A sound. Please do the actions. This is the E sound. Or, I, O, U, oo, ooh. This was the last sound that we did, and now it's time to do the new sound today. Alright, let's first start with the story. Oh wow, what can you see? Two clowns. Have you seen clowns anywhere? Now generally we find clowns at a circus. So these two clowns were rehearsing at the backstage of the circus. Okay, so while they were rehearsing, one of them was a little rude person. So he used to always make fun of others, and he used to always stick his tongue out and he used to tease everyone all the time and say mean and rude things. Okay, so they started having a little quarrel, and one of them started sticking his tongue out again, and he went like so always they would fight, and the sounds that we are going to do today is th and th. Yes, now please listen that the letters T and H, they make two sounds. They make how many sounds? Two sounds. So the first sound is th and the second sound is th. Okay, first let's listen to the song and then I will explain you more about this. Did you ever hear a rude clown make this sound and that sound? Did you ever hear a rude clown say the? So these sounds are and okay, so the sounds are th and th. You're going to take your pointer finger and under your nose and say th, and above your nose and say th. Alright? Now, there are some words where we use the th as the sound, and some words where we use the th as the th sound. Now, for example, now what is this? This is a moth. So when I say moth, moth is an insect. When I say moth, I can hear the th as the th sound. And when I say feather, I hear th as the sound. Alright? So when I say mat, I can hear the th sound. When I say cloth, I can hear the th sound. Then when I say thick, I can hear the th sound. So, and when I say this, I hear the th as the sound. And when I say that, I can hear the sound. When I say them, I can hear the sound, right? So, there are many words where th, the same letters, are spoken in a different way in different words and in some other way in some other words. Alright? So, it is the and th. Now you have to revise your sounds, and I'm going to be back with another video where we are going to do reading practice of all the words which have the and th sound. Alright, bye bye. First let's read the words with the sound in it. The first word is the, is, this, the, at, that, the, then, the, them, the, dan, mother, father, and brother. These three are all tricky words. They are not phonetic words, but we can hear the sound the in it. Now let's read the words. The first word is at, mat, ik, thick, thin, oth, cloth, thumb. Ink, thank. Ink, think. Ings, things. Or thorn. Tree. Or thorn. Thrill.